Omega Dulayuna. Omega Dulayuna.
May the Almighty and everlasting Father bless you. May He supply all your needs according to His riches in glory. Through Messiah was saved. You shall not die. You shall live to declare His praise. No weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. In judgment shall be condemned the tongue that rests against you. May Yahweh prepare a table before you in the presence of your enemies. You are more than conqueror. Is well with you all.
Also with you.
Is well with you all.
Also with you.
Is well with you all.
Also with you.
Go in peace. Heaven shall fill you. In Yahshua's name.